the mask man. Are these things called islands or roundabouts? Roundabouts. They seem to be popping up everywhere. I guess they think that it's safer than a four-way stop. Okay. Made it to my destination. And here I go. I see a Grinch. Wow. Alan Jr. who? Alan. How you doing?
I'm watching Mr. Klaus.
Okay. Who's that?
Myself in the show.
That's Miles? Do you touch him?
Oh, it has magic. If we touch him, he won't have any magic.
Huh? Shoes. I don't see no shoes. They link to shoes?
Alright, that's it for today. And now homework.
Software.
Oh, software.
No homework. Not the best teacher ever. What?
Okay. I'm gonna stop videotaping that now. I see one shoe. All that is needed so we can get this house finished, storage, so we can get this yard organized and clean. You can
Wait,
take.
no, wait, Giddy. This is twisting.
It's twisted.
Yeah.
You want Gaddy to help you untwist it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Wait, you need some scissors to cut it.
Okay. All right, so now that I've untwisted it, you can pull it through the top part.
No.
No, don't tell me no. Look,
No.
it's done already.
No,
Look
wait.
at Superman.
No.
Look at Superman. Get him.
No, it's stuck. It's totally
It's
stuck.
stuck.
Yeah, I told you.
But what's it stuck on?
Okay.
Good job.
But how do you get off the rock?
I think he stays on the rock.
Oh.
She doesn't cut. She just does like ring styles or whatever.
3 twos.
You said I make it a 3. You said 3.
Okay, all right. I said 3. Okay, so
Let me doing that. That's not 3.
so how much is?
That is 3.
Okay, that's 3. And how?
Well, I'm trying to set what's the two? These twos and 1 3 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Okay, so 2 twos and 1 3 equals 7.
Yeah.
How do you know that?
I use my
Basketball
brain.
ball.
The dinosaur.
We got the dinosaur.
And the Mickey.
We got Mickey. We got the stocking. What's this?
Cup.
What kind of cup?
Coffee.
So what?
Because it's an ornament. And sprinkles.
Because
Sprinkles ball.
And the sprinkle ball.
And then what's this? What's this little special one right here?
The Santa cam.
The Santa cam. Because Santa's watching.
It's not in there.
He's not in there. That's the camera. That must mean he can see you somehow. Ah!
I saw the inside.
You got your initials, or your first initial over here, and the year. What year were you born?
2016.
2016. You got it. Oh yeah. All right. Those are your ornaments for this year.
Boy, the trees are really pretty out here. We are back home, getting ready to walk into the house, and I'm going to say good night.